Today's LeetCode daily challenge is 3453. Separate squares I. You are given a 2D integer array called squares. Each element in this array is of the form xi, yi, li. Here, xi, yi represents the bottom left corner of a square, and L represents the side length of that square. All squares are parallel to the x-axis. Your task is to find the minimum y-coordinate value of a horizontal line such that the total area of the squares above the line is equal to the total area of the squares below the line. One important thing to note: squares may overlap, and overlapping areas must be counted multiple times. Also, your answer does not need to be exact. Any value within 10⁻⁻⁵ of the correct answer will be accepted. So essentially, we are looking for a horizontal cut that balances the total square area above and below it. Example 1. Let's start with example 1. The input is squares equals 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1. This means we have two squares, each with a side length of 1. The first square starts at y equals 0, and the second square starts at y equals 2. Now, if we draw a horizontal line anywhere between y equals 1 and y equals 2, the total area below the line will be exactly 1 square unit, and the total area above the line will also be 1 square unit. Since the problem asks for the minimum possible y-coordinate, the answer is output 1.00000. Example 2. Now let's look at example 2, which is a bit more interesting. The input is squares equals 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 1. Here, we have a red square with side length 2, a blue square with side length 1, and these squares overlap partially. We are trying to find a horizontal line where the area above the line equals the area below the line. When the line is placed at y equals 7 by 6, or approximately 1.16667, the total area below the line is 7 by 6 by 2 from the red square, plus 1 by 6 from the blue square, which adds up to 15 by 6, or 2.5. The total area above the line is 5 by 6 by 2 from the red square, plus 5 by 6 from the blue square, which again equals 15 by 6, or 2.5. Since the areas on both sides are perfectly balanced, the answer is output 1.16667. Closing transition. So in both examples, the key idea is finding the lowest horizontal line, where the area above and below is equal, even when squares overlap. Intuition. The key idea is simple. We want to draw a horizontal line such that the total area of squares above the line is equal to the total area below the line. Since the line can be placed anywhere on the y-axis, this becomes a continuous optimization problem, not a discrete one. As we move the line upwards, the area below increases, and the area above decreases, meaning the difference between them changes monotonically. That monotonic behavior is the biggest hint. Binary search is the right tool here. Key observation. The answer is not necessarily an integer. Since the required precision is up to 10⁻⁵, this immediately hints toward binary search on the y-coordinate. Core idea. For any horizontal line at height y, we can compute how much square area lies above the line, compute how much square area lies below the line. If both are equal, we've found our answer. Binary search setup. We initialize a search range from 0 to 10⁻10. This safely covers all possible square positions. Area calculation function. For a guessed line cut y, we iterate through every square. Each square has bottom left y-coordinate, side length. We begin by assuming the entire square contributes to both sides. Then subtract the portion that does not belong on each side. Cutting the square. If the line cuts through a square, we subtract the sliced rectangle from either the top or bottom. The removed area is simply height cut times side length. Comparing areas. After processing all squares, if area above, area below, we need to move the line up. Otherwise, move it down. This continues until our range is smaller than 10 power minus 5. Final result. The lowest valid y where areas are equal is returned. Let's run this with the sample input. Areas above and below are matching perfectly. Accepted. Submitting the solution now. N. Accepted. Binary search plus geometry gives us a clean and precise solution. That's it for today's LeetCode Daily Challenge. If this explanation helped you understand binary search on answers, hit like. Subscribe for daily LeetCode breakdowns. And I'll see you in the next problem. Happy coding!